Okay, welcome to i²-Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually need mastery. Before us is a JAMB question. Here we are asked to evaluate the integral of sine 4x dx. So today I will be showing us the short way of approaching this. Yes. Now to get this solution, integral sine 4x dx will be equal to, now you integrate sine. You know, when you integrate sine, it gives minus cos. So now you give us minus cos 4x. Then you multiply it by 1 all over the derivative of this function. Yes, and when you differentiate 4x, it gives 4. Then here you have plus k. It therefore means that this will give us minus 1 all over 4 cos 4x plus k. Yes, so here we're given options. Option A is cos 4x plus k. Option B is tan 4x plus k. Option C is minus 1 all over 4 cos 4x plus k. And this is the correct option. Thank you so much.